In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Miro. We'll walk through a simple, clear process to get a table onto your Miro board so you can organize information visually without any confusion. If you're following along, you just need your browser and access to Miro. Start by going to Miro.com in your browser. This takes you to your Miro dashboard, which is the home base for all your boards. If you already use Miro, you'll recognize it right away. If you're new, don't worry. Everything we're doing happens from this dashboard. Next, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New to start a fresh workspace. This is your starting point for anything you want to make in Miro. From the new item options, choose Board. A board is the blank canvas where you'll add and arrange content. Once it opens, you'll see an empty space ready for your ideas. Take a second to make sure you can see the toolbar along the left edge since we'll use it in a moment. If your view is zoomed in or out, that's fine. Tables will place correctly anywhere on the canvas. Now, find and click the plus icon. This plus button opens Miro's content tools and apps so you can add elements beyond basic shapes and text. It's the quickest way to bring structured components into your board without hunting through menus. In the panel that opens, use the search bar and type the word table. The search makes it fast to locate the table tool, even if you're not sure where it lives. You should see a result labeled table as you type. This search filters Miro's widgets and apps so you don't need to scroll. Click the table option, then move your cursor onto the board to place it. You'll notice a preview showing where the table will land. Click once to drop it exactly where you want it. If the placement isn't perfect, don't worry. You can reposition it after it appears. The important part is getting the table onto the board so you can begin organizing your content. That's all there is to it. You went to Miro, created a new board, opened the content panel with the plus icon, searched for table, and clicked to place it on your canvas. From here, you're ready to start working with your table right away. If you found this helpful, practice the flow a couple of times so it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building clear, organized layouts in Miro with your new table.